Hey guys, morning everyone. How are you? So what we have here. Do you have any signal? There's a lot of options going on. I don't want that. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome. Morning, Stephanie. Let me see. If I can. Is BA? I mean, I'll try to pull it news from Benjinga Pro and see. My internet kind of slow. Why it's so slow? Okay. Now it's kind of coming up. BA. Are we up pre-market? I literally just woke up. So do we have any news here on Boeing? We can just look at here. Uh, Upgrades Boeing to overweight. There are some upgrades. This is for Monday. This week it says so. I mean, so it says this week. It doesn't say. Okay, it's on Wednesday. So this is definitely today, September 30, but doesn't say when. That's interesting. Maybe we can look it up, but it's a little flat or a little bit down pre-market too. We are pretty red, looks like pretty much everything. SPY is, I'm in green, not red. QQQ is same thing. Uh, Tesla up a little bit. Facebook, that's fake. So future is pretty flat, I would say, like not really. I'm not looking at this. Uh, Zoom, like we are down or flat pretty much. Uh, I hope everybody sold yesterday. I told like when I got in and got out, but if you got in and got out yesterday and beyond, that's a great play. I think today is one of the play. Today is Baba. Uh, Seems like they had some good news. Uh, their AWS kind of counterpart, the cloud business, finally becoming profit in I think this quarter or next quarter. So we are right around here. So that's great. Like if you got in, like we're around 76, like 84. That's a big up. I think next resistance we have it's like 90. So if you cross that, it could be really big. But that's doing pretty good. Morning. I would love to get in Amazon around 30 and a nice prime day. Yeah, Amazon like 3100 above. I'm bullish. Otherwise, kind of it could go sideways. But if the market goes, I think it's a good time though. Zoom to falling to. Okay, I will add to my list. Uh, Zoom. I will go over all those ticker. Mornings. Have the Benjinga on. Have a Benjinga on. Good morning. Okay, yeah, I will have the Benjinga on. So, that's just the Apple thing. Details, pretty much same thing. We can look into. We can add some ticker, like if there's BA. Why it's not coming up? Okay. Oh, it just. Yeah. Pre-market leaders. Is there any movers? Okay, that's all sector. Just wanted to see if it shows anything. Yeah, I think yeah, BA is the big one. So depending how they react to the news. Okay, so we have. I don't wanna. I wanna do market cap of, let's say, 1 billion. So Duke Energy is 6% up. So okay, I'm gonna show you now. You guys can see that, right? So this will filter out. So this will filter out, right? Gainers, pre-market, the whole sessions, whole, but you can see that there's a lot of penny. So just filter it out. Just put it to $2 billion, and it will refresh it. So we have this Cinex. Not sure what's the news, but Duke Energy is pretty high. Um, okay, Nikola is high. Okay, Neo. Look at Neo. Great. Oh wow, Neo is so. Yeah, definitely gonna add Neo to my watch list now. Neo is up nicely. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, so Neo. Oh, that's really great news. So Neo was about to blast their all-time high in its. It could be really good, like really bullish though. So look at that. This was all-time high. It literally broke through it. Not sure. I think they got upgraded or something. But look at that. Neo is 21. That's a nice move. And if you're yesterday, I was telling like 19 above Neo is bullish, and Neo had a quite a good volume today, and looks like yeah, Neo was a good play actually. Wow. Yeah, great on Neo actually. Really did well. Came back. So Morana's up a little bit. Okay, Royal Caribbean is up too. So there are Shopee. Oh wow, wow. Shopify is almost 1,000 again. Jesus, I was looking at like 90 some. I mean 9 something. I missed that. Okay, cruise lines are up nicely. Okay, I think the market is going pretty green from red to green. That's good. If you really want to look at the big cap, then you can see that. Okay, then you'll just keep removing the noise, right? So if you go 50 billion, or if you go 10 billion, pretty good actually. 10 to 50, we're gonna focus on those. So basically Neo, Hasbro's, Moderna, CCL. So cruise lines are kind of coming. Okay, they're up 2%. That's good. So we almost tested this lows. That was a big drop from the highs. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see, let's see. What do you guys? All right, guys. All right. Morning, everyone. I think I have a Zoom. So the morning, pen, Facebook. I'm gonna look at Zoom. This is getting out of new ad open. Again, if you are up nicely, you can get out, right? Like I'm not gonna tell you like depending where you are or yeah. The thing is like nobody knows where it's gonna go. Good volume, but it could be sell off too. So taking profit is always good. I'm gonna look at the DKNG and AMD. Yeah, IPO is Palantir is IPO today. So let's look at how that does. I'm gonna look into I did made a video about it. So they're supposed to open at 10. Let's see where they open, but could be a good one. BA and Nova. So I'm gonna add. I think I already added BA Nova. I think Nova had a good flow, right? Was it Nova? Uh, was it like less? So we didn't want to look at maybe nah, at least 2 billion. No, it wasn't Nova. Yeah, but let's look at so SPY pretty flat so far, a 0.3%. So we are definitely in the upside. We did kind of went in the downside from this 225 226 and we held the good support around 320. Sorry, not 320. So we are back up. So looks like we are kind of struggling this area 335. I think once we cross 335 we should be um, pretty good. Same with the QQQ. These were the key area. I was thinking if it dropped, it may go, but we kind of held it good support right around there and back up. So as long as we are like 270 plus, we should be bullish, and we are above that. So it's just a matter of time. But a lot of times you can have a zigzag, and those are really bad if you have a test. Have Tesla is struggling around this 425 426 this 430 areas. Like any upside it needs to move above 430. So once we do that, the major key area we can literally test like 460. You can look at that. We struggle right around this area about 450 455 area. We try to test, we never broke through it. We try to test those, but we never for the battery day we tried that area a lot. So uh, any upside I would say like yeah 30 we'll see probably like 40 40 42 45. We kind of hold that and kind of strongly, then I can see a good upside on that. uh Facebook, I don't know where we are right now, but we can just check it right here. I don't know why it does that, but 261. So we are at 261, 262, which should be 261. Okay, so this is holding pretty strong, 261. So we are right here. So pretty much same places. So that's good. So as long as we hold 261, I can see we can go 65. So if we don't hold this 56, 57 area, we can go down. But right now it seems like we are holding it fine. So I think next is 265. Then we can move up or down. But definitely see 265 within a week or so. So it could be a good play actually. They're bidden. Futures pretty flat, pretty flat. Yeah, Boeing has a news today, so that's why it's probably like so we had a huge bump up on Monday, then kind of died down on Tuesday. So Tuesday could have been like good entry if you are long, but basically we have a news like they will have the FFA flight today. I'm not sure what time, but sometime today. Maybe we'll get update, but we may fly. I'm not sure when the approval gonna happen, but once we get the approval, I can definitely see like 20-30 bucks in BA. So keep and watch on that. A lot of people requested Zoom, so okay. So kind of making like a flag, so that's a good too. So look at this pull flag. So if we looks like we are kind of holding these labels, we try to hold it, then up, then holding. So if we hold this label of yeah, previous two, so as long as you hold, okay, as long as we hold this 460 label, so it seems like we are holding. Even if we are down a little bit, we should be fine. I can see upside, but if you don't hold, we can literally go to 37.40. So we can drop like pretty big. So there's some around 44, so we can go to 40s area. So if you don't hold this area 60, we can go to, that's a big drop in 40. And if you don't hold 40, then we'll probably go to this 410, 415 area. So as long as you hold, we can go up. I'm still positive on this one. This is really strong stock, so I don't suggest betting against it. But look at that. If you hold a 60 area or not, if you don't hold it, we can go downside. If you hold it, I definitely see we can go to 90s and hundreds again. But when it goes really up, a lot of people's right, a lot of people got in here, they want to make they want to sell it, right? If you got in 430, now it's like 500, so you made 70 bucks within 2-3 sessions, so they want to get out. So there are a lot of seller coming in, but seems like there's good support, like there's buyers too. So this is a key area. There's sellers, but the buyers kind of pushing up and sellers coming in. So but they are holding around right around this area here, so a lot of time. So very cool and good support looks like. Not gonna look into the BA, pretty much flat. Yeah, so anything above I want docu above 217 or 218 for upside. Anything below that, I can definitely, we tested this area so much and I called so many times and I played to this one. So this is really beautiful chart. If you look at that, good support, good support, good support. So when we got just drop, there was support right here, we drop here, you could literally short it from 317 till uh, 190 to be safe, right? It hit it again when there, even when there. Then when we go here, like I wouldn't short right here because we don't know, we could just go there. But as soon as we broke that this level, then again I shorted here and I even alerted a lot of people. Then we kind of I covered somewhere here and I shorted again and covered here. I did twice, but again we are here and seems like this is rejecting. So you want to see a clear rejection, but this label is acting as a good resistance. It's not able to break this. Like it tried here, it tried here, it tried here. If it opens like red again, you could literally short a little bit and kind of keep adding it. We may actually go here again because this is resting a lot. So either for those, either it needs like really good volume, but look at that volume dying down, right? Volume dying, then it just like sellers comes in and boom, you need a lot of buyers, but could have like a lot of sellers too. So can go either way. Apple, I'm still positive. So my key level, like anything above 111 is positive and it's there. It's kind of in the same area. That's good. Consolidation kind of going on, but bad for an option holder. You want quick move, but as long as we hold this level, I think we can probably see 18, 19. And yeah, I think iPhone, new iPhone announcement is this, I mean, next month or something. I don't know what's the date, so that should fuel it. Yeah, Amazon 31.45, that's good. I'm positive bullish on 31.40, I mean 31 plus. So we are right here. So as long as you hold this area, we should be good. I'm bullish. So Prime Day coming in. So uh, yeah, 32 would be a good one. Yeah, 32 would be a good one actually. I may add some today. Beyond, we are right above the channel. I'm still bullish on that. I think yesterday, like we just had got in yesterday, I called in yesterday, a few people took it, they sold it, I sold it too. But maybe in this area, if it holds, I may add few. I feel like it can go like 200, so I may just try to swing like a 3 4 weeks out. Usually it takes like 2 3 weeks for going from 20 to 30 $40. So could be a good swing actually. Key area, it's still holding it. I won't say it's bad. Really, it just, if it goes, maybe I like if it goes 160, I'll probably get out, but looks pretty good. Let's look at Neo. Great. I called yesterday. Anything's 19 was a buy, and yesterday we literally crossed this. Yesterday was a huge candle right around like right open. Then we crossed 19 and literally breezed through in 2021. And seems like we are up pre-market nicely. So if you got in, that's good. Uh, yeah, if you hold this level, that this is pretty high. If you hold this levels, we can go high, but definitely we coming down this levels. Sure, we'll probably touch it or fill the gap, so it could be today or tomorrow. Let's see how. I think they had some few upgrade, that's why, but looks really good. A lot of volume coming in pre-market, so which is a good sign. And there's psychology too, right? Like it's cheap, so people's kind of getting in. So somebody requested Nova, so it's an energy company. Energy is not going good, but this seems like a doing really good. And I like this consolidations, kind of cup like shape, so that's good. Good consolidation. So I don't know much about this company, but 2.29 billion. Looks like their revenue is growing. That's good. Losing money, but revenue is growing. That's matter. Strong technicals. Hmm. So we went. I think it's in the right. Oh wow! Yesterday we had a huge volume, so that's a very good sign. And pre-market a little bit up. So yeah, it could. It looks like a good, but I don't know much about Nova, so I would not say. But pretty much, I like the chart though. The volume. Look at that curling up, coming up. So we had a nice consolidation. Then I think it was all the tech sell-off, but really curling up with the good volume, which is a good sign. So I would enter like for this. If you look at chart, I like this breakout of the top. So if it break out the previous top of this area like 28 29, I would say like, oh, that could be really bullish cause the good volume coming in, and with the good volume that could be really nice. Yeah, let's look at what else we are here. Okay, let's see. uh BA Nova drafting the bad news, but it's up to date. Not sure what bad news, but we can look at the draft king. uh, yeah, it's okay. It broke through it yesterday, I think somebody said. Yeah, it broke through its all-time high and looks like it's kind of strong support. This one, this is holding good support, so as long as we good support, that could be good. You could go long actually. I mean, their gambling season is on. People staying home, nothing to do, so they will play, they will gamble, so which is good. Okay, I look at AMD to the 90 gap. AMD, okay. AMD, I'm gonna look into AMD. Yeah, See, yesterday I was long AMD right around when it broke this 78, 79. So we are up like 81, which is awesome actually. We closed like pretty much same flat, but AMD looks good though. I like AMD. So if you got in like 77, 78, that's 81. That's pretty good. So yeah, AMD looks good. We could literally, so there's some resistance around right here in 83, but major would be 87. We are kind of going it, but yeah, gap is there, but I think you're talking about this gap maybe. Not sure which gap you're talking about, but this gap we have a lot of time, right? We are even 81. Don't look at like you're not gonna look into there's gap here, but we are not even near here. Like nothing. It will not go like unless it has like some massive news or something. But gap fills it takes time, and you need to be near that point, right? So I don't see any gap right here. I don't see. I don't know. If you're talking about this, there's like really tiny gap where I don't even say gap. It's just not sure which gap you're talking about. But there's gap on the downside, but I don't see any on the upside. I don't think AMD was ever that high. Yeah, yeah. This is like all-time high for AMD, so no. But yeah. Okay, Docker is not a strong move. It's flat last. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm noticing. So, which is a like a two things. One thing is like it's kind of shedding off a big higher up, or interest is dying out. So it could mean anything. 2 weeks out. Yeah, we can actually go there. Say bull flag, bullish. Yeah, bull flag is a bullish. I got 82 call. Wasn't in the money yesterday, but it's still in profit. I got on the money. I'm not sure what you mean. Uh, I'm just telling what I see. I could be wrong totally, but that's what I'm seeing. So, oh, that's awesome, Rao. Yeah, that's awesome. So Thanos made me swinger, huh? Yeah, AMD is a fighter. I like AMD. Yeah, the thing is like you have to play your own style. So if you just follow others, like the thing is like you don't know when they get out, whatever what they're thinking, and some lot of times they are not even getting. So you learn from everyone, but make your own strategy, right? What works for you? Like there's thousands of indicators. Not everything is like crystal clear. It will work. Maybe it works for me, not like so. We see it differently. Everyone has their own perspective. So get the ideas, learn from everyone. Just but look into just apply test and maybe chart yourself and learn yourself. It's okay. Sometimes it happens, Rita. So we learn and grow. About Upwork? Okay, I'm gonna look into the Upwork and CRM and space and Morana. Yeah, he did that. Upwork. Yeah. So Upwork is curling up pretty nice. Okay, so it has some resistance right around this, kind of broke through it. So I think there's next is gonna be pretty much this is all-time high too, I guess. Oh well, it it was up. Okay. Oh wow. So if you look at weekly, oh wow. So there's some good resistance right around where we are, the weekly resistance right here. So if you break, oh that's some good upside. So if you break, we can go 19 or even 20s. So there's some good resistance, but yeah, that's a good chart. Okay, there's support. Oh, it found support around $5, but there's some good resistance around 17 on the weekly, like really strong. Like it acted as a resistance, it acted as a support, which is a good sign. So if we hold it, if it breaches it, we can definitely see upside. That's what I see for Upwork, CRM, and Space. I think Space is kind of dying down, but weekly bull flag. So it was going in a nice channel. Okay, so we are up in a channel, so that's a good sign. So it was in a down channel, so now we are finally up with everything. So uh, there's some there's some resistance around 54, so that's a pretty decent. But when it moves pretty good. But one thing I've noticed is like volume is dying down. We need some good volume, so that's the only concern. But I like it CRM as a company as well, and it's doing pretty good. uh, 82, we can probably retest this high again. uh, Looks pretty good, but it's just one thing to be cautious is volume is not there, so I want some volume. uh, More than more now. Oh, we gapped up pretty cause of yesterday Trump. So yeah, we had a good support around this area 54 because of the tech shell down. But oh no, this was the tech shell down, but we are coming up. Let's look at the weekly on this one, what I have. Good support around here. We are right around some support right there on weekly actually. Next is pretty much looks like a 80. So let's go to day. Yeah. So right, we made right channel right here. Yeah. And we are once we breathe, I think we can probably test 85. There's some around 78 too. But looking good though with those news. Pretty good. Pretty flat. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna look into the space. Morning, Eddie. Yeah, I don't have any positions in CCL. I mean, I have leap in NHCL, I think. So I got in like few days ago. Yeah, pretty much all are green today. So I do have some positions, so I may actually close those out. Let's see how they're doing. Okay, so I'm up nicely. So I had Netflix put credit spread. Uh, so those are up 20%. Lyft is up 16%. Okay, BA did good. BA is up again. But mostly I'm looking for calendar. Oh, JNG is 170. I may actually sell this somehow. I'll probably sell it. I'm doing calendar and literally like I'm always making money. That's the beauty. Doesn't even matter like whether market goes up, down, sideways. Just sell on the pop. So 192. That's, was it credit? Oh, okay. So that's good. Apple is up 230. That's awesome. This is so good. Mm. So my room is working great. Work is pretty good. Um, Tesla's is good. Facebook is doing great. Docu is doing great. Apple is doing great. Okay, awesome. Well, did I already show that? No. Tesla is doing good. Yeah, Tesla is curling over and trying to cross that thing. So once it's crossed, it will probably like hover around that area. Okay, okay. Uh, Neo reaping 22. Wow, wow. Yeah, lot of flow coming in pre-market, so that's why I said a Neo could be a good. But yeah, there's a lot of FOMO, right? People just want to get in. I think it's a good time to sell actually if you got in yesterday. As if Neo leaps, I'm not selling it, or maybe sell it. We'll see. But I'm about to short Neo. The PLTR IPO is gonna be about what do we call? I think it's about 12. Yeah, they say it's gonna be. If it's 10, I'll probably get in some. Maybe like 100 to 100 stocks and see. You cannot do options, but so PLTR. Yeah, they're saying it's gonna go at 725. If it's 725, it would be good. So their market cap is 5 point. Well, that's so there's two IPO. The next one is Asana. So ASAN. That's pretty decent too. Oh shit. I may get some both depending like how they work. Okay. Oh wow. So snap was forming a good patterns. I was kind of looking for. Oh man, look at this. Snap's gonna snap through this. That would be huge, huge, huge. When in doubt, nap it out. Yep. Damn AMD. AMD is fighting. So Nvidia, I think it's gonna be like 12, as I said. Nvidia, let's look at Nvidia. Oh wow. So Nvidia 1630. Oh, this could be good though. 30. Yeah, Nvidia, it could be good if it breaks this level. Look at that. Next we could literally go 53. I think once we break this 40s level, I can see. Yeah, I don't like that color. I just want to make sure it's same color everywhere. And we're looking at 540 would be good actually. Yeah, Sachin, it's gonna probably start at around like 12 or something. They usually start around 12. Is bank going flow? Bank getting flow too? JPM. Yeah. So bank's getting flow too. Man, that's look at that. What a support right around 91. I didn't even look at, but 91 would have been good swing support. But yeah, it held perfectly. It bounced back. Uh, there's some gap to fill too. So 97. Smaller gap to fill in this one. So yeah, not a huge, but from 96 to 97. But these banks are cheaper, so you can actually make like get some cheap option and make some money. Is Zoom kind of coming back in? Let's look at. Oh wow. So it did hold. See, and we are up already. So that could have been good play, since it was holding pretty good. That's why I said don't short. And looks like it just kind of coming up. That's good. Hope nobody sold at the bottom. Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome, Sachin. Yeah, yeah. Market is getting. Yeah, I think that's what. Yeah, today I think that's what happened. Today expires, so that's why all this CCL and everything is kind of running. Also, if you guys have not subscribed somebody's news, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me in other social media as well. I'm not in Neo. I'm not chasing it, but the volume is kind of coming, but it was little 22 something, right? So it's kind of selling off, but volume is already 6 7 million. That's a lot. We are not even like 15 minutes, so volume coming, but yeah, it's red now, so I would be careful. I mean, if you got in yesterday and got in, like, take profit, because we had a huge run yesterday as well. So yeah, I know. PLTR needs to go live, but I think it's gonna be a little bit in Asana too. But looks like we gotta wait. Sorry. What are you guys holding? What are you guys playing? My Theta account is like so doing so well. I'm really happy. If you do calendar swings, your covered call is in the money and you buy it back to close out and also close out leave. You really not making much. Calendar spread and your covered call is in the money and you buy it back and close out and also close out leave. So Nvidia. Uh Jason, so if your calendar spread is and your covered call is in the money, not necessarily, right? For example, I'll tell you example. So not necessarily, so depends what you are doing. Let's look at one. I think I have in what was that? Oh, I will show you. What was that? Oh, it's not in this account. So I have some. No, that was. Doesn't even matter. What was that? Oh, document. I think it wasn't here, but I guess it's just the idea I'm gonna show you. So, so unless I'm 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 assuming you are kind of talking about making a calendar out of a leap. So basically, right, one thing is like you are not buying right now. I mean, you could buy it, but let's say even if you are buying right now, right, let's say you are buying, let's say you just got it right now. So let's say you got like I don't know, uh, you got like 200 leap, let's say, right, you got 200 leap at uh, which expires so January 23. Yeah, let's say you are getting 200 leap, which gonna cost you 74. So your cost is 74.50, 74.50, right? And your delta is 70. So delta is 70 with, let's do 70 delta. That's your delta. So now you just got it today, and let's just assume, right? And you are selling, when you are selling covered call, you will sell at least a um, whatever upper than your price, right? So for example, your theta, like we can literally ignore theta because it's like theta is $0.3. Again, a week it will be $15. So we'll subtract $15. So let's say we subtract 15. So that's a week. So we'll see where the price is so we can adjust. So uh, so if you sell it like this week, let's say October 9, whatever, or even this week, just let's assume that's a week. And if you sold it like what, uh, you got it, so you got it like 313 or whatever. So again, if you sell it below, of course you will lose it, but you got it when it's 13, and if you're selling like 20, so that's $7 move, right? That's $7 move, and $7 move, and you'll get credit 493. So you also make 493, 493, right? So you're making 493 in premium. You're losing like 15. So that's, I think I added 5, so let's make it like, hope just 2 weeks, so let's make it 30. So you lost this in theta, but you made what, you got in at 13, it's at 20, so you made 7 times this, uh, times 7. Okay, no, 7 times. So you literally made, so anything above that, right, anything above, your premium will also go up, but this will go up. So you will like, unless it moves really high, and your delta will also increase as it moves. So it will be like 80 or 90 or whatever it is as it moves, right, and depending where your money. So if it goes above that, this will go up, but your leap will go up. So your net profit will be usually it's around 493 plus this. So you are profitable. So if you make like, let's say you made like what, 7 times 7 is 49,500 plus for almost 1,000 a week. Like that's a good return, right? You can just sell it up. I mean, you can buy back that too, but if it goes too quick, too high, I sell it up. I made 700, 800 or 1,000 in a week, so I'll be happy. But again, depending, like if it's going down, 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 and yeah, you can of course lose in, like, right, there's no way you will always win. But if it's working for you and it's going up, even if you are get called, you will be making money actually. So I don't know what you mean you will lose, but that's what I do. Let's look. I guess that makes sense, but yeah, I do that. I was down about 150. Okay, raw. Um, that's exactly true. The number one thing is you can learn technicals, you can learn everything, but it's the most important thing is have a emotion. How you have emotion is don't be greedy. For example, like we are in Neo, right? So okay, so basically you got in yesterday your target, so now you are up 40-50%. I sell it literally. I sell it. It can go like 1,000%. At least I will sell it to cover my profit. At least I'm break even, so I can at least ride my profit. So even if it goes 50% down, I will have that as a profit, right? So that's how I do it. Like I don't care. It may fly to 30, but the thing is nobody knows. It can go to 22. So if it goes to 20, you are holding and you lose, and a lot of people do that. So have a discipline. If you have a discipline, you will do good. Otherwise, it's just hard. Okay, Apple is 15. So, for example, another, I think, was it Jason? I think who was talking about. For example, this Apple, right? I got a leap when Apple was 108 or something, and I got deep in the money, so my delta was almost 94 or 95, something like that, around 90s. So I don't remember the exact 90s. So each dot. So today I sold. I think I sold like 115 call for 200. I got in 2 or 300. Not today. I sold like for expiring this week. So if it like 140, 150, I may just close that out and I still have the leap. But if it goes like 117 or 118, let's say, then I may just close out both the positions, meaning I close out my leap and it will have 8, so that's 5, 6, 7. So almost like $600 there, and 200 here. So I'll be like 7, 800 in few weeks, like a week almost. Yeah, about a week or so. So I'm fine selling it. I don't care. I'll buy back when it goes down. So that's what I do. But again, you can do your own strategy. But yeah, snap, 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 snap. Right, exactly. So your loss in your will cancel out the leap. So, but your leap already got, so so you are capped, right? Anything above your sell side, you won't make profit. That's all. But you will make profit up to that point. After that, it just your leap will increase, but your short call will also increase. So you'll lose net about $10 per dollar. But yeah, let's see, buyback after the lunch date. Haven't charged. We'll look into it. Okay, snap, snap, snap. Yeah, snap is a like I told. Snap is good actually. Yeah, Tesla will be like 440 plus. Will be really good. Like it will break that downtrend. God, it was resisting a couple times, and we are in a. How is Amazon doing? I may grab some Amazon. Okay, it is struggling. See, I want to get in Amazon at like this 70, 75. Once it crossed, yeah, 75, 80. Yeah, if it does, just remind me if I'm online. But I'm trying to get in it. If it's crossed 31.75, uh, I want to get in. That's a clear resistance because it's kind of struggling in that. That should be good. The Apple looks pretty decent. Shop. Let's look at shop. Oh no, not snop. Oh man, how can I missed it? Look at that. This was a key label. Man, yeah. That's good. Yesterday would have been good entry for shop. 92. Wow. Yeah, missed it on shop. How is Snow doing? Just, just once is do. No, not show. I don't know what happened to me. Oh shit! Look at that. This is crazy, crazy. Yeah, 55 would have been good entry actually. But again, new base. Autumn is dying out, but too overvalued. JFrog. Oh man, these guys are like crazy, crazy going up. Wow. And what was that other? Oh, is it Good RX? The one new one? Okay. 45 to 56. Okay. Kind of consolidating today. Jeez, like this company like just go IPO and valued at 12, 15 billion without even making money. Well, they're profitable at least. That's awesome. And the revenue. Hmm. 20 times. But they are profitable. Not bad. Oh wow. Tesla is slowly curling up. Okay. It's above that label. That's good. People, FedEx. Yeah, Snap is doing really great. Nice. So Starbucks also had a good upgrade. So yeah, yeah, we can go to 87, 88 today. That's the next level I see. Pretty good. Oh wow, BA is 70. I mean, BA passed that 66, 67 resistance. Yeah, BA heading to 75 looks like. I want to look at this weekly. I'm in BA already. Yeah, that's what I see. BA can run really like hard if it. Okay, what else? What else we have? What else we have? Um, okay, look at interest rate up. What's wrong with eternal scheme up to 62? Okay, well, 20 bucks is 20 bucks. Good lunch money. Oh, Amazon hit 3170. I may get it. Okay, thanks for reminding me. Yeah, 3170. Oh, I don't care that that's way below, so let it mess it up. But we are kind of holding it. Yeah, I may actually get in some few weeks out. Let me see how the contracts are. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I got it on Amazon 2 3 weeks out. I like this, but let's see. CRM has some news. Uh, oh wow. Okay. See up channel. So somebody was in CRM. So nice. That was literally from 46 to 50. Yeah, that was good. I think we are picking up pretty much everything. It's good. It's good, good, good. Okay. Okay. So let me see. Eddie, change your name to English. Okay. Okay. So where is DKNG? Yeah, I mean it's fine, right? It's 57.50, so you can do few things like I mean if it's expired this week you have time, so hopefully it won't go like 60 this week. Hopefully not, it never touch, but it can go. But one thing is you can let it, like if you wait till, and if it's not 60 you collected that $40, and also you have your leap. And if it goes above 60 you can do it, sell both, so your sleep will make money, but and above 60 you will kind of lose a little bit, like for each dollar up you will lose about $100, but you are making money in leap, so it will compensate. You'll lose like maybe $10 above 60 too, but as long as it's 60 you are fine, like you know. let it expire. Then if it's 60, you can sell next week for maybe 64 or something. So till 64 you are fine. So you can repeat it if it goes that way. If you don't, you can always sell it. Right now you can just, you sold it, you can buy back and close that. And if you want to sell leap, you can sell both anytime. Nobody is holding you. But yeah, but if you're making money in both ways, just keep making money. Why to worry? I guess that makes sense. Yeah, Apple's doing great. Oh yeah, Apple. Yeah, finally we are pretty green. Looks good, guys. No chop. Even we had like, I think the earnings, not earnings, the employment numbers are kind of okay, but we are doing great. Okay, okay, Apple. Hey man, do you know when? Yeah, I think a PNTR will open around what do we call, like 12. Yeah, it's usually open about 12. ETVI, 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 ETVI was a nice channel on hourly, but it has been slow. But yeah, it's been really slow. Like it's still in that channel, but I think hourly you could see really clearly. Yeah, look at that. It's just in this channel, but it's been slow though. This 79 to 81 and kind of going down, so I don't know, maybe it will come touch it then bounce back, but it's been slow. 78 too, but it's in this channel, upward channel, but very very slow. I don't know why, it needs some news. Yeah, what else, what else, what else, what else, what else, what else? Yeah, Starbucks, I like, it had some upgrade. So really great day actually. QQQ is already up, like, yeah, I don't see anything green though. I mean, I don't see anything red. But man, Neo is like, oh wow, Neo is like, look at that. Neo, literally, Neo monthly. Neo is, Yeah, Neo is kind of parabolic and monthly. Let's go to D. Yeah, Nova is we were, but pretty much everything looks really, really green. Okay. Yeah, Apple, Nvidia, Roku, BA. Yeah, that's great. That's awesome. All day trades. It's happened, Cassandra. It happens. It's fine. Sometimes I don't chase though, Peter. I don't chase, but you can go. But volume is coming in. So if you're so day trading really doesn't matter. Like if there's a try to make a label, right? So let's look at Neo. If you do 15 minutes, I'll do at least 15 minutes. So yeah, it's making higher, like higher high, lower lows. So you can just make like trade like this. Like it's like too much parabolic, but yeah, if you wanna chase it like this, as soon as it drops, just sell it. You can do that. Maybe try to buy it when it touches this, then bounces off, or even maybe 5 minutes will give you a clear. But I too much noise on that. But yeah, or like yeah, see this trend line is holding, but so we have the initial downtrend line. As soon as it broke, get in here, sell it here, then day trading doesn't matter, right? Like you're not looking at long terms, you're not chasing. Like chasing will be like if you plan to hold it and tomorrow and everything, then it may mess up. I mean it, but you gotta be tight. Like if it doesn't work, stop. A lot of time what happens, it can go down and up, but have your discipline. Otherwise if you like no it will come up, then it goes here, then oh I already lost, then it goes here, and I mean do I even sell now? It's just $20, and then it just goes and it's zero, right? So you gotta have your plan. If you strictly like do it, you can actually do it. There's nothing wrong with it, right? There's good volume coming in. Look at the volume, good volume coming in, but there's sellers too. But yeah, you can do that. Like if you just got in the morning 21, we are already up. But if you got in right here at 22 and up 57, that's $50 in a contract, pretty much. If you're like a little deep, but you know, so you can do that, but you have to be fast. You have to be looking at chart, and yeah, because volume is coming in, that's a good sign. There's a lot of interest. Yeah, the average volume is 69. We are already 65 and it's not even an hour, so that's a good sign. So I don't know, I was telling you Amazon, who got in Amazon. So I was telling, right, like get in Amazon at I mean I got in, I told everyone, but I got in at 31 74 75, yeah 70, yeah 70 I forgot, but 70s somewhere 70 73 it was, but it's already up. But look at this, right? You could just literally for day trade, you could literally draw a trend line. So okay, we kind of struggled, but then boom boom boom, then just draw a trend line. It's holding pretty, and man, yeah, it's holding perfectly. Yeah, it's already 90 now. So a lot of time you can literally sell it now. So Yeah, but as long as, so if you're day trading, as long as it holds, you can keep it up. If it goes, then trend changes, or yeah, Amazon is doing really great, just going up straightly. So that's, yeah, yeah. Apple is 116. Apple, yeah, Apple doing great too. Pretty much everything is doing really good. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a nice cup, but I don't look at the small time frame for those. Yeah. So we right bounce up that support in 135, and we are heading to 41. Pretty much everything looking really good. Okay. Well, BA 182 will fly literally. BA, if it BA past 182, you can get in. Like it will literally fly. That's awesome. That's awesome, Sachin. Yeah. 31 was really bullish, but I was looking at the key area of 3175. So that's when I got in. So yeah. But yeah, if you got in 3160, that's great. Already up. Do you get any spreads or you got in calls? Probably like, okay. Tesla is struggling in that area 28, 29, but that's Tesla. All right, guys. If you guys have any last minute, please do let me know. Other than that, uh, good new house sale number. I'm pretty good at this price. Yeah, I like RKT. Yeah, uh, yeah. If you have any questions, please do comment in my videos. And if you want me to make cover any of the topic, let me know. I'll note it down and probably make some videos. But other than that, see you guys. Have a great day. Have fun. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'm looking at the both the IPOs, PLTR and Asana. If it's like 7 8 bucks, I may get in some. Let's see how that goes. But let's see. Yeah, pretty much that's about it. Other than that, you guys have a great trading day. Looks like a good day. All right, see you guys. See you all. Thanks. Bye.